I saw the videos and the ads and it was like raving about it कि बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. So I was like, yeah, let me just try it. Just let me try it. Look at this. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically अभी इतने discounts चालू है and I felt like I should make some reviews, like single product reviews for you guys, and I wanted to try them out. So I thought, let's order some stuffs and then make certain reviews. So there's a lot coming up soon on my channel, so you better subscribe to my channel. So before any other time pass, let's get started. So my first order is, I have ordered from HOK Makeup. This is the first time I'm trying this site. I normally order only from Nykaa and I didn't know how genuine the products are and stuff. So I was like, let's give it a try. This is the packaging it has come in. Great amount of bubble wrap. So this is what I have ordered. 3 products from Wet n Wild and 1 from Makeup Revolution. And even the blush from Makeup Revolution has come in that chota sa bubble wrap of itself. So I am planning to do small swatches also for you guys, and later on I will be having single product card reviews on my channel. Okay, I'm going to start with Wet n Wild liquid highlighter. I've heard a lot about this and I am a great fan of highlighters, especially the liquid ones. So I was like, let's give it a try. Retails for rupees 675 and I got at some amazing discount. I will kind of link it in the description below and write the price somewhere over here so you guys can get an overview. So it comes with a doe foot applicator, which is pretty huge, like pretty huge. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand.
So this is how it looks. It looks pretty pigmented. This is how it looks once I blend it out with my fingers.
So my next product is going to be 2 liquid eyeshadows. I really was like, देख के मुझे मन हो गया था कि यार मुझे ये तो कलर चाहिए ही, and I wanted to try that out. Now I want to say that it is kind of cracked, if you can see over here. I don't know if product ऐसे ही आता है or what is it, but yeah, I thought you guys should know about that. Retails for 500 per liquid eyeshadow. I've ordered 2 of them. So this also comes with a doe foot applicator. So it is easy to, just apply on your eye. I'm just going to swatch it on my hand.
So it is pretty reflective. It is not that opaque, so you have to apply some 2-3 coats. So this is how the gold shade looks. This is just one swipe and it is amazing.
I will have separate reviews for all these alag brands like Wet n Wild and Makeup Revolution. So make sure to check those out, otherwise this video बहुत लंबा होने वाला है. So this is my next product. It is from Makeup Revolution. It is an amazing color. मेरे को ये color देख के इतना पसंद आ गया था. It will go from light to medium skin tone. So the shade is Ballerina and this retails for, I don't know, I'll be putting the price over here. So this is how it looks. How pretty is the pattern. But there is no smell. There's no smell at all. I'm just going to swatch it for you guys. I guess this will go for light skin tones better than medium.
It's pretty soft to use and I really like the color. So
let's see when I'll be making a review how it really performs. So my next parcel is from Forever 52. I am the most excited about this one. So this is basically liquid eyeshadow again. And I've heard so much and I saw the videos and the ads and it was like raving about it कि बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. So I was like, yeah, let me just try it. Just let me try it. So I've ordered 2 things, the liquid eyeshadow and a blush. So I have ordered a silver color and there were so many silvers. I was so confused यार कि कौन सा वाला order करूँ. White silver था, then silver था, then grey silver था, and I was like, what is this? This is how it looks. Super shiny. So this retails for 560 or 600 rupees. This is how the applicator looks. So let's go for a swatch now. Wow. Look how shiny and reflective it is. It gives a feel of, pressed glitters in a liquid form. So next is a blush. So this retails for 500 rupees, and I didn't really have a super hot pink blush, and I wanted to try out Forever 52 for the same. This is how it looks like. Super black matte packaging. You press it open, and this is how it opens. And I have heard these are super pigmented, so let's see it. It feels a little chalky, but then I don't know. I can't see a lot of pigment, so I'm just, gonna build it. Okay, this is super light. This is super light. This is going to go on super light skin tones. So let me get you guys closer.
A little chalky to use, but we'll have to see how it performs on the face.
Last package is from Nykaa. I've ordered L'Oreal products, so I have heard a lot. I've heard a lot about the Infallible as well as the Lash Paradise mascara. So I thought, just let me try it. So there was this offer going on that if I order above 1,000, then I'll get a free pouch. So this is L'Oreal's gift to me, or Nykaa's gift to me. So it has come with this amazing cute little reflective pouch. I ordered these two things: Infallible foundation, and the other is Lash Paradise mascara. I won't be swatching it because it makes no sense. I would rather put it to a test and then tell you guys how it is, okay? But this is how it looks like. This was for some 750 rupees. This for 800 rupees. And this was my mini HOK, Nykaa and Forever 52 haul. So if you guys want me to make such videos, or if you want some specific product that I should try and review, then you can obviously comment down below. Don't forget to share this with your friends and like the video. Bye you guys.